to hit on cash to withdraw, this drop down page is going to appear, and then you impute your asset. You can see here minimum withdrawal is 3,000 EVM. That's the minimum you can withdraw. Okay, you can see it here. VIP1 withdrawal requirement 3,000 EVM tokens. That's the minimum you can withdraw. And when you enter level 2, the withdrawal requirement is I think it's about 10,000 EVM token. That's the withdrawal requirement. That means you have to earn 3,000 EVM token for you to be able to withdraw once you get to VIP2, which is the level 2. Okay, you can see here I have just 700 EVM token, and it's just 0.28 cents. It's not even up to $1. So I believe 3,000 EVM token, it's about I think about $2. Yes, I think 3,000 EVM token is about $2. Okay, that's the minimum you can withdraw every single day. Once you have up to 3,000 EVM token, you can just place your withdrawal. Okay, like I said, the first video I made, you can make up to like $300 from this project if you're consistent and if you just put in a little work, which is by sharing your own invite invitation link to your community or to your friends and tell them to sign up. And even if you don't want to refer anyone, then you can just continue to pick your your 600 EVM token every single day until you get to 3,000 EVM token. And it doesn't take that long, you understand me, to get to 3,000 EVM token, and then you can withdraw without you inviting your friends. But if you want to earn faster, then you can invite your friends so you can start earning more EVM token and start withdrawing. Okay, so that's just it. And what you want to do now, once you have imputed the 3,000 EVM token, like it's going to appear by itself here. Okay, you click on withdraw. They're going to tell you to download an app. Okay, so you need to download an app for you to be able to withdraw, and I will show you guys how to do it. You can see I don't have up to the minimum. It indicates that I don't have up to 3,000 EVM token. So if you want to withdraw, if you have up to 3,000 EVM token, I'm going to make more video about this. You can just hit on withdraw, and then they're going to tell you to download the app. Okay, but before you withdraw, download the app, tap this section here. Okay, you can see Android, Google Play, iPhone, and yeah, so I'm going to be going with the Google Play to download it. You hit on download, and the file will start downloading. You can see it here. So you have to install this app manually by yourself, just in case your Android security might probably stop the app from installing. You can go to your settings and remove that setting so the app can install, you know, without any obstruction. I am done downloading the app, and